Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make a timeline chart in Google Sheets. Super useful if you want to visualize dates and data over time, like tracking revenue or project milestones. By the end of this video, you'll know how to transform plain spreadsheet numbers into an engaging timeline that's easy to understand and share. Let's jump right in. To start, you'll need to have your data ready in Google Sheets. In my example, I have two columns. On the left is date. These are the key points in time we want to track. On the right is revenue. This could be revenue earned on each date, progress completed, or whatever you want to chart. If you already have your own data in a similar format, that's perfect. If not, go ahead and enter your dates in one column and your values in the one next to it. Remember, Google Sheets works best if your date column is using actual date formatting rather than just plain text, so don't worry if you need to quickly adjust that. Once your data is set up, the first real step is to select it. Click at the top of your first date and drag down and across to the last revenue value. This tells Google Sheets exactly which numbers and dates you want to visualize. If you have more data than in this example, that's totally fine. Just make sure you're including both columns and not the whole sheet, otherwise your chart might get a bit messy. Now with the data highlighted, head up to the top menu and click Insert. This is where all your charting and customization options in Sheets live. Go ahead and select Chart from the dropdown. At this point, Google Sheets will automatically try to create a chart for you, usually a column or line chart by default. But don't worry, we can easily change it. With the chart window open, look to the chart editor panel that pops up on the right. Here, the key step, we want a timeline chart, so under chart type, scroll through the options until you find timeline. You might need to look in the other category or start typing timeline in the search box if you don't see it right away. Once you find and select timeline, you'll probably see your data instantly switch from the usual bar or line format to a clean, horizontal timeline. It can feel really satisfying to see your dates stretch out in sequence, with each revenue value showing directly on the corresponding point. If your data doesn't populate in the right format right away, for example, if the dates or numbers look jumbled, pause for a second and double check. Is your first column definitely formatted as date? Is your second column the one with your values? Google Sheets is pretty smart, but it needs clear hints about the data types, especially with timelines, since the spacing is all date-driven. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to adjust. Small changes in your sheet can get things back on track. And there you have it, your very own timeline chart. You can customize it further in the chart editor, adjusting colors, labels, or the date range if you want. This is such a powerful way to showcase changes over time, whether you're reporting sales to your team, tracking project progress, or just making sense of your own data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to see more examples, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next video.